Okay, this is what's going on. So I got these blunt force darts. I showed you how to make in another video on my magnetic holder on my Tim Wells Lockmaster at 5 foot. It's only 5 feet. And we have over here a couple of glass bottles. Now this one's round, has a narrow neck and 2 shoulders. And I don't know if I can break that one. I don't know if I can break this one either. I know it will break some glass, but I don't know if it'll break the jar. But I'm going to shoot the square one first and see what happens. So I'm going to little slow motion. Sorry about that. I can't do both. So let's see if I can get this in the frame and not in the shoot my camera. And I will be standing about 12. I'm at 7 paces. I'm about 12 foot. Oh, that was not a hit. Down on me. Well, I broke the round one. Answers that question. Let's play another one. Right through it, like nothing. Wow. That round one was some tough glass too. Yeah, these impactors, blunt force trauma. Yeah, these things, they do the job. There's a round in there. See that? It went through and it broke the bottom as well in the jar. See that? Broke the thickest parts of the glass. And the dots, if you can call them dots, are completely reusable. So, and that's how it is to just throw them back on your magnetic holder. So those dots are reusable, they last a long time. So, I haven't made any for this blowgun. They work great. That's 87 grains. 7/16 steel balls or 11 millimeters for you limey folk. Lola Macungan, Needle Box. Audio.